Hi everyone, so I got my Haus Labs large mystery box. Came in this. Haus Labs on there. Some protector. Black tissue paper. And it came with this bag. I can figure out how to open the bag. There we go. I'm hoping there is a little palette in here. Hoping. There we go. What looks like. Cute. Okay. First thing that I'm pulling out is, I don't know what it is, but it says it's a liquid eyeliner, and it's in punk. I am assuming it's a black eyeliner. It's so small. It's like a but yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's see. I'll try this one out. There they are. Wait for it to dry and I'll rub it and see how that turns out. Next is a Glam Attack in Retro. I'm assuming this is also black, if it indicating the top of it. Oh no, it's not. These don't mean nothing. The color anyway. Okay, so oh yeah, show me that. This is what it looks like. It's pretty. I like that. It's pretty. Next is Lariat lip gloss in Alimony. This is what it looks like. It's a nice goldy color. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, these are thick. I don't know if I'll like that. Let's put it over this one. Okay, on it's not as bad. I'm definitely gonna clean this wand. It's fun. Okay, not going to put that back in there yet. Wasn't thinking. This lipstick. I forgot how much this mystery box costs, so I'll put it up on there, but so far I'm pretty sure I got my money's worth. And this is another Lariat lip gloss, and this one is an STFU. I think y'all know what that means. This looks like this one's not a glittery one, which I kind of prefer. Okay, right there. That's what it looks like. Ooh, I like that color. Really do. Okay, I did get a shadow palette, the 4-way shadow palette. That I'm happy. it showed a square box like this, so I was assuming it had an eyeshadow palette. That's why I got the big one and not the small one. Just because I wanted to try more stuff from her. This is the Sunset one. Ooh, aren't those pretty? Those are pretty. Okay. Just swatch. This is Babe Watch. This is Sunkissed. I don't know what this one says. This one's Happy Hour. Whatever that is. Right there. Can you see it? Yeah, I don't know. APERITIF. I don't know. Am I just... I don't know. My swatching is special. Ooh, I do like those. That one's a little light, but I'm sure it can be built up. Okay, there's still more. There's 2 more things. Yep, 2 more things. I wonder what this is. This is a Rip lip liner, and it is in Peach. Looks like this is the color. Oh, that's creamy. Goes really well with this one, actually. The lip gloss. And then this is the Monster lip crayon, and it is in Mannequin. Oh, both of this one's sides are taped, unlike the other stuff. Okay. This is what it looks like. Nice color too. Yeah, I like that color. So yeah, all of this stuff, it doesn't seem like some mystery boxes, they're just trying to get rid of crappy colors that no one wants, because, I mean, a lot of these colors are good. Yeah, so I think I got a little bit of everything from her, almost. I think she has a mascara too, that wasn't in here, but I forgot what all she has. But there's a good chunk of a different assortment of things. It wasn't all lip products. I mean, there were more lip products than everything else. But I think this was a good box. I think it was like $75 maybe. I don't know. I don't remember. But I think I'm happy with my purchase. Yeah. Get to try more stuff. And got an eyeshadow palette, unlike my Ipsy X. And I'm so disappointed in the newest Ipsy X. So disappointed. But anyways, yeah. I'm gonna get off of that subject now, because, yeah. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great day. Bye. Okay, I forgot to do the, testing the, eyeliner. So I'm gonna do that now. It does smudge, although my finger is slightly dampish, but it wasn't. I dried it off. But, oh man, cat. Why does my cat have to be such a pain in that? Ew. Yeah, yeah. But still a nice one. But anyways, yeah. Bye. The liquid eyeshadow, on the other hand, stays pretty dang good. Like, it didn't stay with it. Stayed with the wipe. Look at that. It's finally coming off. But anyways, yeah, that's really good. So yeah, Okay, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. It's been a while since I filmed. I'm gonna go now.